Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, I want to go over 3 different travel trailers under 20 feet that comes with a dry bath or a normal bathroom that has a toilet separate from the shower. 3 completely different brands, 3 completely different floor plans, and 3 completely different options. All of them with one common feature, that dry bath. Everybody wants a dry bath, they want that shower, they want that toilet, they don't want to be together. So let's go over these 3 different trailers and let me know what you think.
Here's the first one to show you, the Riverside Retro 135, coming in at only 2,640 pounds. This thing is 15 foot 9 inches, has 140 pound dry hitch weight, 1,000 pounds cargo capacity, and sleeps up to 2 to 3 people. When we first walk in, we'll see it has a huge fridge, jackknife sofa, and this one comes with an actual queen size bed. It's got the 2-burner stove in the kitchen, microwave, and here it is, the dry bath. This one does not have a riser plate in it, which you'll see in the other toilets. This one does come with a fan in here. This is a Riverside Retro 135. Nice big residential style fridge with the double door. Thermostat on the wall right there. Cabinets over top of the jackknife sofa. Jackknife sofa is easy to just flip right up. Turn into the bed. We'll see storage underneath. And as you lift it, just give it a little guidance from the back. Nice window that opens up right there. 2 cabinets above with the stereo and a Bluetooth stereo. USB. AM, FM radio. Right there's the air conditioner. 13.5 AC top mount. Into their wardrobe. Little closet space with a place to hang our clothes. Nightstand behind, it's a little hidden, tucked back there. Shelf up top, going all the way across the front of the trailer. Real queen size bed in here. I believe it's like 60 by 76, so it's close. Over here into the kitchen with a stainless steel sink, some cabinets underneath. Drawers over here, carbon monoxide detector, fuse box holder, or breaker box, 2-burner stove, hood, microwave, cupboard. Over here we're prepped for a TV. Here's our master control panel with the awning. Does come with an electric awning out there. All the light switches, power switches, levels. And the bathroom. This does have a nice little bathroom in here with a toilet. Bam, turn on some light. Fan above the toilet. Skylight above the shower and into the standing shower. You will see a common feature here is all 3 of these have a standing shower. Close to the same bathroom, but a couple of them have the slide rise portions on the toilet and different ventilation. This is Riverside Retro 135. Now let's go into the Sunset Park Sunlite LTD 13BD. This camper is coming in at only 2,380 pounds, is 16 foot 2 inches long, has a dry hitch at 240 pounds, cargo capacity at 1,320 pounds, and also sleeps 2 to 3 people. This one comes with a wardrobe closet, shelf above, full-size bed, still that 2-burner stove, nice big sink, a nice dinette. This one has that rise on the toilet that I was talking to give you a little bit higher of a rise, plus I love that medicine cabinet. This one, instead of having that skylight, it comes with a vent right over top of the shower. Now we're going into the Coachman Clipper 15 CBH in their 3K series. This camper comes in at 2,540 pounds, is 17 foot 10 inches long, Has 330-pound dry hitch weight and a cargo capacity of 1,290. As we walk in and enter this one, we'll see that dinette bed right up front that turns into a double bed. Then we have our shelf up top, going into our 2-burner stove, our sink, into our cabinets down below, some of our pantries, ample amounts of deep storage in this one for a purpose, a little different than the other floor plans. This one's right above the fridge, then we're getting into our 12-volt fridge. This one does not have a freezer in it. Down below that's our heater blower and our breaker box. This one comes with the bunks with storage underneath. So single over single bunks, prep for a TV, entertainment system. Now into the bathroom. Very similar setup with the bathroom. No rise platform, standing shower. And this one does come with a skylight. And above the toilet, it comes with a vent, no fan. Again, a couple different options between the 3 different trailers. Somewhat similar floor plans, weights, sizes. But they all have something a little different. So, which one do you like the best and why?
If you're still here, I greatly appreciate you. Please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and keep on coming back for more for my weekly uploads. There's a lot more camper comparisons out there and a lot more fun things I have planned, so keep on coming back. Thanks for watching.